4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, Cebu coffee. Today we're going to Osmeña Peak to check out this view. So we rented a resort for overnight and now we're gonna get ready and go to Osmeña Peak. Let's go. Instant noodles for instant adventure. Instant noodles. So inside this is rice. How do you open this? Hard.
Come with us. Ka-fluffy Bobby. Chumby, Lou. Chumby.
Let's go, let's go. Let's do it to it. Let's go, fam, let's go, fam. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Osmeña Peak, here we go. It's up there, yo.
Number 2, ma'am.
Up there.
Do a number 2.
Up there. We're about to climb this Osmeña Peak. It's legit hiking, and we have our guide here, Ate.
Ate Minya.
Ate Minya. Osmeña. Osmeña, Ate Minya, our guide. Let's go. We hike once again. Canyoneering done, and here we are in Osmeña Peak. How's it going? Kapoy agad. This reminds me of Mambiro. All over again. So since we got to the Philippines, it's been hiking. But adventure, yo. It's all about the adventure. We the best celebrate life success. Oh. Oh, worse. Even though the hike is a struggle, it's hot, but the wind is very cold. It's nice. We're gonna take a photo over there because it's pretty nice. Let's do it, let's go. Alright, let's do this for Instagram. We'll climb this rock here. Do it for the gram. Holy crap, check this out. I'm high up here. What's up? They're all down there. We are nearly here. They're still down there. How many feet is this gonna at? 1,492 meters above sea level. We're so high at the moment. How's the business? Booming. And the view's booming, yo. Check it. Check it, check it. So it looks like we're in New Zealand right now. Apparently there's a beach over there, and early in the morning there should be clouds up here. It looks like we're in a different country. Looks like we're in New Zealand. What a lovely view. The view here is so dope, yo. What's up, guys? Tutorial. Alright, alright.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, okay, good.
Legit. Risking life. And your big tutorial is real, yo. Risking our lives.
Wala ko na orient.
Tutorial done, and we are off to somewhere. After the hike, we eat ice cream.
Flavor.
Na mango,
Naa.
yellow. Ice cream break after the hot hike. It's very hot right now. It's 10, 20 or 30, something like that. And they're still up there. They're still going down. My ears are blocked at the moment because we cruised down up high, really high. But it's really worth it. The view is really nice. It was a bit foggy too. Ice cream time. Yum. Cold. Lovely. Osmeña Peak done. Let's go to the next destination, yo. Let's go. It's raining at the moment. We're here in Simala right now. It's very nice. It's very nice. Team no sleep here. Let's go. And it's raining at the moment. But YOLO, you already know it. Here for the vlog. It's raining, man. It's raining. It's raining. Showered. Simala. Oh my god. Simala. Ah, what a blessing. It's raining. Yo. Alright, here we go again.
Run.
It's very strict here, you know. See that? That is not gonna show your butt. No. Show your pee-pee. No. We have to take our shoes off as well. Respect the Mary. Pretty boy. Pretty. Thank you. Ikaw, ayun na. Wow, there's none. Explain what it is.
No.
It's a wish letter. It's a prayer. She wants to be a doctor, so she's gonna write that down. I'm gonna write mine down, and let's hope it's gonna come true. Oh, dear Charo.
I love it. Yeah, Simala Church, it's trash.
Carcar is known as for chicharron. 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 Oh my gosh. Lechon. Look at that.
Kaning nga tao. itlog na.
We're here right now at the Buladan. It's called dried fish, dried squid, and everything. And this is dried squid. It stinks, you know. Dried fish stinks. But it's good. Squid flakes. Squid candies. Sylvanas. Sorry. Checking in for Davao. Going back home. Oh, back to reality.
Come back to the corner.
Let's go, Davao. Friendly boarding soon. See you, Davao. We're back, yo. That's it for Cebu. And we're back in Davao. Oh, low back.
Burgerlicious definition, make them boys go loco.